Hey everybody, Tanya from SvG back, and today I want to show you guys how to create a mosaic effect in Inkscape with your SVGs. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, go on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. I was, again, playing around in Inkscape today, and I thought that I would share this technique with you guys. It's pretty cool, especially if you're in the sticker making business, or if you just want a really sweet design on a t-shirt or something like that for your kid or yourself, because it is just kind of neat. So I'm going to head over to my computer screen and show you guys exactly how to do this, all right? So I have a heart up on here. I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick mosaic effect in Inkscape. And basically what you want to do is you want to have your shape here, and you're just going to create a thin-ish rectangle, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to place this, and then we're just going to continue to duplicate these and move them around. So we kind of start to create this effect as we go through. And there doesn't really have to be any rhyme or reason to it. You just want to go through and continue duplicating these shapes so that way you can start getting these really neat pieces. And again, you don't want it to look like it is something that, you know, was kind of pre-planned or whatever. You do want to be mindful of creating smaller pieces, because those are difficult to cut out with the machines for the most part. So you just want to kind of start moving these around so that way you can get like a really cool effect. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll come back. Okay, so now that you have all of your shapes kind of where you want them to be, and there's not like too many tiny pieces, you're just going to hit Control A or Shift A. Control A. That's going to select everything on your screen, and then you're going to hold down Shift and deselect the heart, and then you're just going to go to Path Union. Okay, so now that we have everything all set and unionized, you're going to select your rectangles, and you're going to select your heart, and you're going to click on Path Difference, and that is going to subtract all of the hearts, the rectangles from the heart. So you have this cool little mosaic shape here. Now you can see that it is just one piece. So now that we have this, you're just going to want to go to Path, Break Apart, and it's going to separate all of these shapes from one another. So you can go ahead and color them in. So what I like to do is I will create kind of like 3 colors that I think will look good together. And I'm going to go ahead and keep this pink color, and then I'm going to do like this purple here, and maybe like, I don't know, this minty green color. And kind of go from there. And then you're just going to go through and like select these shapes and start to change their fill just by pushing D. Whoops. And then selecting the colors that you want. Okay, so I went ahead and added actually in 1 extra color. I just thought it looked better with 4. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get all of the same colors selected by clicking 1 and hitting Shift and selecting all of the sections that have the same color, and then going to Path Union, and then going and doing the same thing for the green color. And then going to Path Union, and then going and doing the same for the blue color. Then when you select all 4 colors and move it, you should have everything selected. Click on group. You can go ahead and delete out your color palette shapes and then just click on file, save as, Heart Mosaic SVG. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. And I'm going to click on New Project, and I'm going to click on Upload, Upload Image, Browse. I'm going to go to the desktop, open this up, click on Upload, click on this, Insert Image, and you can see the mosaic image here with all the colors that we've chosen. That's all you have. For creating mosaic shapes within Inkscape. You can do this with all sorts of stuff. You can do this with shapes. You can do this with text. You can do it with all sorts of SVGs just to create a different type of effect. You can put text up on over the top of this and do like an outset. Actually, let me go ahead and show you what that would look like. So going back into the heart, we can go ahead and type out some text. And I'm going to use Milky Rainbow for this one. I'm just going to type out my daughter's name, lock the aspect ratio, drag out, and since I have everything grouped, I'm going to go ahead and align these to the middle of each other. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and group that in the middle of the center that in the page. And then I'm just going to go ahead and ungroup. And then I'm going to go path, object to path. Again, you can see that these are not welded. So I want to make sure I go to object, ungroup, and then path union, and that's going to unionize all of my text together for the cut. And then I am just going to do an outset or a dynamic offset. So let me just hit Control D, and then I'm going to go to path, dynamic offset, and I'm going to bring that out until I'm satisfied with that, and change that to like a green color, and then go to path, object to path, and I'm going to bring that down one step so you can see the text will be just like that. And then I'm going to have to kind of zoom in here on this offset, and I'm going to, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, so I need to duplicate this offset 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And then go to path, difference. Didn't work because I'm not ungrouped. Try that again. Path, difference. You can see that cut out there. Then I'm going to do that again for my pink later. Path, difference. Do it again for the purple layer. Path, difference. And then one more time for the green layer. Path, difference. Okay. So now you can see that this is actually cut out to the point where I have the name here. So I'm going to go ahead and group all this together. I'm going to save this again, tilde test, and then I'm going to go back into Cricut Design Space. I'm going to delete this out, click on Upload Image, Browse, Upload, Insert, And you can see I have all my colors here and the text, and that will all cut out in the Cricut. And you can do the similar thing for the silhouette machine as well. So if that's something you're looking to do, just to add a personalization touch, you can also do that. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you got something out of this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. If you have any comments or questions at all, please drop a comment in the comments box below, or head on over to the Facebook group, where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. If you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will catch y'all on the next video. Have a good one.